Welcome to this energy healing session for your sixth chakra. During this session, I'm going to be flowing high vibrational energy to your third eye with the intention of opening it up, clearing it, and balancing it so that you are open and receptive to all intuitions and higher knowing. Please just sit back and relax. Close your eyes, and if it's comfortable, point your gaze up to your third eye while keeping your eyes closed. Or just put all attention and intention on this space. I'm going to start with some sacred symbols. Then I'm going to flow the energy directly into this area. We call on Archangel Metatron to assist in this process, as well as any other archangels, guardian angels, guides, or light beings who can help at this time. With every inhale, you can visualize either an indigo light or just a bright white golden light penetrating your third eye, expanding it larger and larger. And then with every exhale, we're just releasing anything that may have clouded that vision. And as the energy continues to flow, I'm going to say some affirmations. You can imagine that the affirmations are directly going into your third eye. And if you want, you can mentally repeat them after me. I am receptive to all intuitions and higher knowledge. I am strongly connected to my higher self. I am clear. I easily connect with my guides, source, and the higher knowledge. I trust my intuition and allow it to guide me. Every day, my spiritual guidance becomes more and more clear. I trust that I will always be guided in the right direction for my soul. My third eye is now open, clear, and receptive to all higher knowing. Still feeling connected to your intuition, we're going to now ground back into your body. Feel your consciousness return back to your body in this time, in this space. We set the intention for presence and mindfulness in every moment. I'm going to wipe away anything from your energy field that may have gotten released during that session. Disconnect from the energy. So be it, and so it is. We give thanks. Thank you so much for listening. If you would like to get a full chakra balancing or energy clearing session, you can go to reikiwithrachel.com. Sending you so much love and light.